Namaskar, Chibai Salam. It is indeed a proud privilege and joy beyond description that our dearly beloved and respected Prime Minister has set foot in the soil of this humble land. यह वास्तव में हमारे लिए गर्व और सौभाग्य का विषय है कि हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मणिपुर की इस पावन भूमि पर कदम रखा है. With his presence here, the people can hope for assured development, growth, peace and harmony, all the blessings that accompany his gracious arrival. May I now request Honorable Governor Shri Ajay Kumar Balla ji to present a painting to Honorable Prime Minister. Painted by Mark Rangchal, a talented local artist, the painting depicts peaceful coexistence amongst all the tribes residing in Manipur. The young ushers, clad in their respective splendid traditional attires, will present to the Honorable Prime Minister Zomi Shawl. Zomi Shawl reflects a deep connection with nature. Next, Thado Kuki Shawl. This shawl is a symbol of authority and prestige. And Mar shawl called Choimoina Pun. This shawl celebrates achievements and expresses dignity, praise and respect. May I now request Honorable Governor Shri Ajay Kumar Balla ji to present the welcome address.
परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, उपस्थित सब डिग्निटरीज, जनसमूह, नमस्ते, गुड आफ्टरनून, शिबाय. It is with deep respect and great pride that I stand before you today in the historic, vibrant town of Churchandpur on the occasion of the Honorable Prime Minister's visit to this beautiful state of Manipur. मैं हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का हमारे राज्य में आगमन और हम सभी के बीच उपस्थित होने के लिए हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूं. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी एक रोड से लंबी जर्नी करके आज आपके बीच में उपस्थित हुए हैं. उनको एक बार तहे दिल से इसका भी शुक्रिया करता हूं. Churchandpur is not just a geographical location, it's a symbol of rich cultural diversity, resilience and the spirit of unity. The people of this land, representing a mosaic of tribal and ethnic communities, have for generations contributed to the social, cultural and economic fabric of our state and our nation. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आज आपकी यहाँ उपस्थिति चुरचांदपुर और पूरे मणिपुर राज्य के लोगों के लिए अपार प्रेरणा और प्रोत्साहन का सोर्स है. समावेशी विकास, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास के प्रति आपकी प्रतिबद्धता इस क्षेत्र के लोगों की आकांक्षाओं के साथ गहराई से प्रतिध्वनित होती है. आपके दूरदर्शी नेतृत्व में पूर्वोत्तर को मार्जिन से मुख्य धारा में लाया गया है. द फोकस ऑन कनेक्टिविटी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, डिजिटल एक्सेस, एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ केयर हैज ब्रॉट होप एंड न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू आवर यूथ. टुडे एज वी लुक फॉरवर्ड, वी ऑल्सो एक्नॉलेज द challenges that we must face together. Challenges of peace, development and trust. Today is the time to heal and help and look forward with dialogue, understanding and inclusive governance, I am confident that Manipur will emerge resilient, more united and prosperous. हम सभी अपने समाज को शांति, प्रगति और तीव्र विकास के लिए एक जीवंत स्थान बनाने में योगदान दें. Bringing development to remotest corner and reaching out to the last mile is one of the cornerstones of Viksit Bharat, which calls for inclusive growth. Churchandpur district has always been among one of the top priorities of the state. Being a border district, the government is committed to provide connectivity and essential infrastructure to the furthest hamlet for overall development. At the same time, we as citizens of this country have a bounden duty to safeguard our country and its interests. We cannot afford our land to be encroached or be allowed to be illegally inhabited by people from beyond the borders. Both the state and central government are committed to take effective steps to address this challenge. I would also like to mention about recent natural calamities, especially the cloudburst and flash floods that cut off several villages of Henglap area of Churchandpur. To deal with this, Operation Sahyog was launched by the Assam Rifles, Indian Air Force and District Administration to supply over 6 tons of essential relief to 18 remote villages in Henglap, cut off due to landslides. This swift, coordinated response reached 1,500 villagers with vital rations and supplies. A 3-phase resettlement plan for internally displaced persons is being taken up to settle them at the earliest. Additional security personnel and quick response teams were deployed to further bolster safety and stability. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आज यहाँ आपकी उपस्थिति आशा की किरण है और साथ ही शांति एवं समावेशी विकास के प्रति केंद्र सरकार की अटूट प्रतिबद्धता की पुष्टि भी है. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपकी उपस्थिति और समर्थन से इस क्षेत्र को खास तवज्जो मिलेगी और इसका मान बढ़ेगा, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है, जिसके लिए मैं यहाँ की जनता की तरफ से और राज्य सरकार की तरफ से तहे दिल से आज आपकी उपस्थिति के लिए आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. जय हिंद, जय मणिपुर.
May I request Honorable Prime Minister to unveil the plaque to mark the laying of foundation stones of 19 projects amounting to rupees 7,300 crore by the press of a button.